Good morning, everybody. We're going to hit it early this morning. My plan was to be here at sunrise, and it looks like I may have made it. Starting to get a little color to the sky. Anyway, it's brisk. It's going to be a bluebird sky day, but the wind's going to be blowing about 15-20 miles an hour, so I don't want to be out in a boat. But I am ready to be back on my ride here. I got me a temporary basket on the back with all my support gear, tools, cameras, all of that. Trying a little something different. I've got my camera mounted on my helmet, and we're fixing to hit the trail with it there and see if I can get some decent shots. Hope you all are having an awesome day. Make the most of it. It's up to you to do that. Anyway, God bless and thanks for coming along for the ride. Hope we get a little something to show you today. Dick and Willie Passage. I'm down here off of, I got to think of my street here just a minute. Anyway, this is not the access that I normally take. This is the first time I've ever been on this one. Spruce Street. This is a Spruce Street extension. I understand occasionally all of this is going to all meet up in one place. We're going to go explore. Got 3 goals for today. 3 goals. Goal number 1, don't fall down. That was a good video. We don't want no more like that. Anyway, goal number 2 is have fun, which I'm already having fun. Goal number 3, I'm going to see if I can't get 15 miles on this thing today. Anyway, y'all wish me luck. Be safe. God bless. Just wanted to share this part of my view with me. See how close I am to the trail. That is the Smith River. I can see coming back here to trout fish. Oh, we got a speed trap here. Come on now. Come on now. Get in out of the elements. Rain or shine. Just have a dry place to wet a line. There comes that sun. Thank you. I'm ready to put my sunglasses on to get that cold air off my eyes. Guess I need to get some clear lens goggles. Try to get my bearings, figure out where the heck are we at. Where am I at? What park is this? I don't know. Get your feet back up on the straps. Mother. Nice. There's a little pond right there to fish. Oh, maybe not. That might be wastewater treatment plant. You reckon that's where I'm at? I don't smell anything. I don't see any no fishing signs. Here's where we go off think this is where we go off. I wonder. We'll go a little bit farther down on pavement and see if I see any more signs, but I don't see any signs here at all. This is way. Yeah. You know what? That there just might lead down to it. There's some bear tracks and deer tracks. There'd be something to see a bear down there. Yeah, it looks like it's gravel all the way down. I'm going to take it cautiously. I'll take this cautiously. Bridge at the bottom. Miscalculated that one. Now there's a pier or a dock, but is that part of the trail down there? Don't know. Kill my power. Got it. Step off this thing for a minute. I might have to wait till things dry up. That's definitely the trail down there. There's a sign down there, so the trail still goes up that a ways a little bit from where I come in. See what this feels like. Well, these boots seem to be gripping this pretty good. But I ain't gonna ride it down. I think I'll walk it down until I get on the trail. Let's do that. Let's go for it. Where's the bigger? That's way back there. That's bigger. This ain't way back too. Circle out here. I'm gonna be down side of the bike. Just release the brakes. Had no power on it all right now. I think that was a good decision. leave the power off. Get it up here and park it. Take a little break, a little breather. Go look at a couple of these signs. Eagle Scout Project. Okay. Sign back here. What does that feel? Very slick. I think on boots. Oh honey. Oh honey. Well, that's going to be interesting. Looks like they've got little story signs all down through here. I see another one back there, but I'm not going back there. I think that's the direction I need to go in. Okay, so far I've got 6.2 miles. I did find the other end of the trail. Rode about all I wanted to see of it. I'm back here. I'm at the trailhead of the original one they laid down. And I'm gonna finish out my goal today right here. I'm gonna get enough to have 15 miles on it when I get back. Y'all wish me luck. Have a good day.